How to turn off View Once on Messenger. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the View Once setting when sending photos or videos on Messenger. This way, your media can be viewed more than one time and stays visible in the chat like a regular message. Let's get started. First, make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. This helps avoid any glitches and ensures all the newest features are available. Now, open your Messenger app and go to the conversation where you'd like to send the image or video. Now, if you want to capture something new, tap the camera icon. If you'd rather send something from your phone, tap the gallery icon to browse your media. Once you've taken or selected your photo or video, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see an icon that indicates how many times the media can be viewed. If it currently says View Once, just tap on it. It will cycle through the available options. Keep tapping until it shows that the View Once option is turned off. This setting means the person you're sending it to can open the photo or video more than once, and it will remain in the chat like a normal message. When you're ready, just hit Send. Now you've turned off the View Once feature for your media.